Hi, I'm Jeff Sater with Lightning Estimates, and today I'm going to show you our online tool and how you can create 4 different estimates for 4 different price points along with mortgage insurance for each estimate. We're directly integrated with all 6 MI companies for MI fees, and we're also directly integrated with First American Title for title fees and government and recording fees. So follow me along. This is very quick and you'll love how easy this tool is to use. I'm going to use a $500,000 price point and I want to do 4 different properties. So I'm going to copy this one, change it to 525,000, copy this one, change it to 550,000. There we go. Little mistake there. And one more, we'll make it at 575. Now we're going to pick that this is a purchase. And the first loan, we'll do a conventional loan. We're just going to do a 90% LTV. So I'll plug in the DTIs. These are assumed DTIs. And I'm going to copy this one, do it for the second property with the same information. Copy this loan, do it for the third property, same information. Copy it one more time and do it for the fourth property. So we have all 4 price points in there. We're going to use one borrower with a 750 credit score, and we'll throw in $10,000 a month in income. On to the second page. We're going to plug in an assumed interest rate of 7% for each option. And you'll see there are buy down options as well. We're not going to use those today. The days of interest is defaulted to 15. We're going to change that to 5. They may be closing towards the end of the month. And we're going to do different taxes and insurance for each property. So here's property 1. We'll go $100 per month. Property 2, 110. Property 3, 120. And property 4, 130. On real estate taxes, we're going to plug in 5,000 for the 500,000, 5,250 for the next option, 5,500, and you'll see it defaults over to the monthly amount, and 5,750. And you'll see that all the MI options have already popped up. So I'm just going to select monthly for each option. And I will show you on the fourth option, you can select borrower single, and you can finance it or not finance it. But for terms of this demonstration, we're just going to do monthly so they're all the same. We'll go on to the next page. This is where you get to the title product selection. All you have to do is click this green button, Submit Title Products. Meanwhile, in the background, title fees are pulling in from First American Title. And this takes anywhere from 3 to 7 seconds, depending on how busy the computer is at First American Title. There we go. Let's go on to the fourth page. And this is where we can name this, and we'll call this the Jane Doe comparison. And it's comparing to 4 different price points. And then you can in tune go into each one and change the name right here in this box. So you'll see that for each particular item, you can rename the estimates. We're going to save this, and then we're going to export a comparison PDF. And this is the neatest part of this software. It gives you a nice, clean product to give to your customer to show monthly payment for each option. Here we go, the 4 monthly payments, and the cash to close for each option. And then below that, for each of these individual programs, there is a detailed estimate like this one. And this will show the monthly payment on the left, cash to close on the right, lender fees on the left down here, and all the other closing costs on the right. So it gives a nice, easy to understand estimate to your customer to look at, and you can see it's done for each particular price point. All of this in just less than a few minutes. It's extremely fast. And just one other option I do want to show you. When you're on the MI page, you can click on MI info and it will take you to a link right to your quote. So you've got an extra service available using that tool as well. I hope you'll check us out, lightningestimates.com. It is a 30-day free trial, and you haven't seen a tool quite like this. Thank you for your time.